Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to change language on an iPhone. The first thing you will want to do is open the setting menu. Then from the setting menu, scroll down to the general section and open it. From the general section, you can see that there is an option language and region right here. Select it. From this section, you can see the iPhone language. You can see the preferred language order. This is mostly for the keyboards. You can see in which region you are, which calendar you want to use, what temperature unit, and at the bottom, you can see how things look in the current format, should you decide to go back to your normal behavior. So, to change a language, you can select iPhone language, and here you have a list of all the possible languages you can use on the iPhone. In this case, let's pick French. Here, they ask you to confirm, do you want to change to French? Yes. To do that, you hit change to French. You can also cancel and stay in the language you are now. After selecting to change language, you will see a black screen and then be back here in the settings in the new language that you chose. But now I see you coming. What do you do if you open your iPhone and you are in a language that you don't know and don't know how to find the language settings? Well, first, again, you will open this settings menu, which is always in all languages this little gear icon, gray, that you can see at the bottom right. So you open this. Then from the main menu, to find the general, you can easily just count the number of options, which is always the same. So if you start with the little plane, general would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. The 10th option, also the little gear. So you select it. And from this general panel, where is language? Well, again, you can count. Language in this case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The 11th option in general is the language option. You select it, and the very first option on top will be the language of the iPhone. So again, you can select it, pick whichever language you want. So for example, English, and then you confirm with the first of the two buttons, which will mean go to English. And once you've done that, you will be back in your original language. Thank you for watching this tutorial, everyone. I hope you have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.